Hi, this is Nancy at Notions, and we're doing a bonus video today. A little while ago, Sally Lynn showed you the gel press using alcohol inks and all the super cool things you can do with it. Well, she actually works very closely with Carabelle stamps. So we want to now have Sally do a little demo using acrylic paint, which is the most common thing that people do with the gel press, and some of the texture plates from Carabelle. So on your mark, get set, go.
All right, so the thing that people are most familiar with us using with the gel plate is paint. And if you just use, acrylic paints, you have Dina Wakley Media, there's all kinds of different paints that you can use for this. You don't need anything special. I'm just gonna roll out a thin layer of this paint onto the plate and then do what we call subtractive work. So I'm gonna take these Carabelle art textures. I'm just going to take this one. It's called Twist. And this is a 6-inch pattern. I'm using it on a 12-inch plate, but it also will show you that you can use it 4 times on a 12-inch plate to cover the entire thing if you want to. And this is pulling the design. At the same time, if I was quick, I could actually take this and put it on a piece of paper and transfer that design.
So picking it up and putting it on another piece.
Putting on something else. In fact, you can see how it transferred some of the design here.
All right.
So for our first layer, we're just going to do that simple one color application and pull the print. Pretty. And these little edges, maybe I'm going to go over here and get some more. It just keeps going and going. It's just a lot of fun. So that's our first layer. Now we're going to go in with another color. And I'm just applying a little bit of paint. And rolling that out again. And now we're going to take a different texture. Let's take, this one's called Letters on a Checkerboard, and it's so detailed. I just love these art textures. And this text on these, is made mirrored, so that when you pull a monoprint with them, the text will be able to be legible. So unlike a traditional rubber stamp, where if you used a rubber stamp on this surface, you would have the text mirrored.
Okay.
These are made for monoprinting.
All right, so keep that in mind. The Carabelle texture plates with letters are made to be doing this process because the letters themselves are already mirrored, so when you pull them, the letters are in the correct location. Okay. I said that right? Okay, that's yummy.
And we get just a beautiful layered print, and you can see both the texture from the first print and all of that detail. So much fun.
All right, so Gel Press has a gel plate that is a 6-inch circle. Well, it just so happens that Carabelle has texture plates that are in a 6-inch circle, almost like they were made for each other. And there's quite a few fabulous designs. Look at that. They play well together. So Gel Press and Carabelle came out with something else. These are the plate and the gel press and the texture plate in one package. So when you buy it, you're getting the 6x6 press and the 6x6 texture plate from Carabelle. And this one does have the letters on it, so you'll be able to play with that idea of it being a mirror image. So check these out on Notions Marketing's website. Yes, Sally, you got something else to say? And even more. And more.
These were actually specifically engineered to work in the stamp platform.
Oh my goodness.
So this is made to work in the stamp platform. It's just got a slightly lower profile so that you can place it inside.
All right, so the gel press itself goes in the gel plate goes into the stamp platform.
And will cling to the lid.
So this is a little bit thinner than the original gel press. Okay, and we learn something new here every day at Notions Marketing. So check all of these out. So this is Carabelle. You'll find their stamps, their stencils, and their texture plates, and the new little combo pack, if you will, which plays so well with the gel press. Find this all on the Notions Marketing website. If you have any questions, be sure to contact your sales rep.